Weekend warrior, level up your weekends with a full body blast. Day 1. Weekends. They're for relaxing, right? But what if you could recharge your batteries while building a stronger you? That's where this workout comes in. Get ready to level up your weekends with our full body strength training series.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really.
Get moving, dynamic warm-up to prime your muscles. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. Dynamic stretching is key. We're talking arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These movements increase blood flow, loosen up your joints, and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Remember, preparation is key. Round 1, power up with push-ups, squats, and planks. Let's get this workout started. First up, we're hitting those major muscle groups. We'll do 3 sets of each exercise, with a short break in between each set. Push-ups, a classic exercise that builds upper body strength and endurance. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Remember, form is everything. Push through your palms and keep your body aligned. Squats, the king of leg exercises. They are essential for building lower body strength. Squats work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. They also help improve your balance and stability. Stand shoulder width apart, lower yourself down as if sitting in a chair, and push back up. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Plank. This isometric exercise strengthens your core, back, and shoulders. It's a full body workout in one move. Hold your body in a straight line, engaging your abs and glutes. Breathe steadily and maintain the position for as long as you can. Consistency is key. Round 2, lunges, bridges, and wall sits for a rock-solid core. Get ready to challenge yourself and push your limits. Time for round 2. We're targeting those smaller muscle groups and building stability. These exercises are essential for a balanced and strong core. Ready to feel the burn? Let's dive into these powerful moves. Lunges. Great for balance and lower body strength. They engage your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs. Keep your core tight and back straight. Glute bridges. This exercise targets your glutes and hamstrings. It's perfect for strengthening your posterior chain. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Position your arms by your sides. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes. Hold for a moment at the top before lowering back down. Wall sit. This static exercise builds endurance in your quads and core. It's a true test of mental and physical strength. Lean against a wall with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Hold. Feel the burn in your thighs and core. Cool down, relax and recharge with stretching. We did it. Now it's time to cool down and stretch. Focus on those muscles we just worked. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This will help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Your fitness journey starts now. Keep going. Congratulations on crushing day 1 of our weekend workout series. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a regular part of your weekend routine. Your body will thank you. Join the movement. Subscribe for more fitness fun. Want more awesome workouts and fitness tips? Subscribe to my channel for daily motivation and support. Let's do this together.